In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the brightness on your computer or laptop. I'll also show you how to fix the issue if you're unable to change the brightness. So the first thing we need to do is open up the Start menu, search for Settings and click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, go and select System, click on Display, and right at the top here, you'll see this option for brightness, and you can go in adjust the slider like so. We can then click on the drop down arrow, and where it says change brightness based on content, you want to go and turn this feature off. Now, if you're unable to change the brightness here or it's not working, then what you'll need to do is open up the Start menu on your computer, go and search for Device Manager and click on this window. In the drop down list, go and expand Display Adapters. And if you have two display adapters showing here, then to go and fix this brightness issue, we just need to right click on our first display adapter and click on Disable Device. Once it's been disabled, the screen may go black for a couple of seconds, and once the screen is turned back on, you can re-enable this device just by right-clicking on it again and selecting Enable Device. Now, once you've done that, you can head back over to your settings page and you should now be able to control the brightness of your computer. If it's still not working, you can try using the shortcut keys on your keyboard. So to do this, you need to hold down the function key on your keyboard. So this is labeled as FN, and then you need to go and press one of the F keys at the top of your keyboard. Now on mine, this is the F7 and the F8 key, but on your keyboard, it could be something slightly different. You'll just need to look for the brightness icon on your keyboard, and it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.